Okay guys, today I'm going to explain about how to upload a video into a YouTube. Alright, what you need to do, you need to have a Google account, and then after that you need to go to the studio YouTube by opening in browser, okay, on the Google Chrome. Right, you type studio.youtube.com. Okay, so actually I already signed in before, so this is how it looks like. Right, so after you have a video, you need to upload it by tapping on the right top corner create button, right, and then tap upload videos. Drag and drop video files to upload or select files. Okay, I'm going to choose this one, the short one. Right, because only 4 seconds, it's quite quick, so it depends on your internet speed at home. The title, okay, so you must type the title. This one I'm going to type Piggy Book, right? And then description is also really important. You cannot skip this one because tell viewers about your video. I'm going to type in here, it is a children fiction book about family. Right, and after that probably your video has a music, something like that. You need to mention, okay, by giving the credits. So you type in here credit. Okay, I'm going to type in here video editor, iMovie, or probably the source of information you give in that video. Back sound. Okay, it's also from iMovie, or if it is from YouTube, you can type it from YouTube. Okay, right. It's a book, so I need to mention written by Anthony Brownie. Okay, so you need to give a credit for everything you have there, right? And after that, probably this one you need to discuss with your teachers, probably that they need you to mention some hashtags like that. So the maximum is three hashtags. If you can put more than 3, but the one that appeared on the top of the title only 3. So the hashtag probably sekolah cikal or di rumah aja, and so on like that. Okay, right. And after that, thumbnail is a picture that shows what's in your video. It's like a cover, so you can make it in Canva. You have a photo or image that you added by put some text like that, okay, that describes about your video. A good thumbnail stand out and draws viewers attention. Okay, the thumbnail of this video is the book cover. I already have it. Okay, this one right there. Playlist. So if you want to short out the videos that you already got. Okay, probably science, math videos, language videos, and so on. Right, you tap new playlist, sorry, and then you tap done, something like that. Okay, because I don't have the video before, so let it there. Audience is also really important. Is this video made for kids? Because if it is made by kids or for kids, YouTube gives some protection. It's called COPPA, Children Online Privacy Protection Act. So when you choose yes, it's made for kids, it means that the comment section will be off. Okay, and then age restriction, if it is you choose no, it's not made for kids, and then there will be another option. Yes, restrict my video to viewer over 18, and no, don't restrict my video to viewer over 18 only. It's already off because we choose yes, it's made for kids. More option, paid promotion. We're going to skip this one because it's your video is going to be a class assignment. Okay, tags. So if your teacher asks you to tag someone or some institution like a sekolah cikal there, and then video language. Okay, if you speak in English, it means that you're going to choose English. Okay, or if it is Indonesian, you choose Indonesia. Recording date and location, I'm going to make it this one today. Okay, and then the license and distribution, you choose a standard YouTube license, and then allow embedding. It means that other people who have the link could embed the link to the other website or whatever they want to. All right, and then category is really important so viewers can find it more easily, either gaming or people and blogs or entertainment. So we choose education, and then this one is comments and ratings. Show how many viewers like and dislike this video. Remember, we already chose yes, it's made for kids. It means that disable comments. And then this one, whether you want to on or off, you need to discuss with your teachers. Okay, I'm going to show it this one. Tap. All right, everything is there. Now tap next, video elements. Okay, so use cards and end screen is off, and then next. Okay, visibility, save or publish. You want to make it public so everyone can see your video, or unlisted, or anyone with the video link can see your video. This one also you need to discuss with your teacher, either public or unlisted. But now I want to make it private because I want to edit more later on, so I don't want people to see my video. Just put a private first. That's all. Oh yeah, over here, before you publish, check the following. Do kids appear in this video? Yes. Remember the option, and looking for overall content guidance, and then that's it, and tap save. This video is only visible to you because I chose private there. Okay, now we check on the left side. On the left side, channel videos is there. Piggy book, look at that one, the thumbnail. Okay, right. So it depends on your internet speed at home. If you have a longer video duration, probably it takes longer processing the video into the YouTube channel. Right, okay, hopefully it's quite clear for you, and don't forget to try it by your own self. Bye, see you next time.